Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how quickly and very easily you can use smart labels in your BreezyBit forms. What I mean by a smart label. So imagine you have this form, I have this test form, and I have a couple of questions in this form, and it's a multi-page form. So I'm using the pager element. If you go to the form, you will see that I have the first name, last name, account name. I'm asking about the annual revenue and the account type. And on the next page, let me just put something here in the required fields. In the next page, I have the revenue source, account source, and company name, right? So, but here in the revenue source question, I want to actually make this on the second page a little bit more engaging. Instead of just saying revenue source, I want to customize this question, the label of this question, based on the answers the user gave me in the first page. How I can do that? Let's say I want to use the first name and I want to use also the annual revenue because this is about the revenue source, right? To do that, I can use smart labels. So I just need to go to the revenue source field, click on it, and on the right side, I can easily customize the field label for the revenue source. So I want to say, instead of just saying revenue source, for example, just maybe use the name, not a hey, it's the second page. So this is the format I use smart labels. So I just say this and the first name. So contact dot first name, if I can spell it, and then close this. So contact first name. Um, you mentioned your company's annual revenue is, what is the amount they entered? It's annual revenue, whatever they enter on the form, right? But I'm going to use the value in the annual revenue field. So I just use another smart field here. I just say an annual revenue is a field on the account object dot annual revenue, and just close this as well. You mentioned your company's annual revenue is, and I just add a $sign here too. Period. Could you please tell us a bit more about the source of this revenue? For example, this is my question. I want to ask this. So I save the form, and as you see, it was just revenue source before, right? So let me just refresh the form. And as you see, I don't need to do any field mappings. I don't need to publish anything. Everything is happening natively in my org. So I just made my updates and save it. And if I come here, I enter my first name, my last name, account name, annual revenue, let's say $1,000, and account type is gonna be anything actually. And then if I go to, when I go to the next page right now, as you see, my question is fully customized based on some of the answers I entered in the first page. My name is Hakan, the annual revenue is 1,000. So I say, Hakan, you mentioned your company's annual revenue is this. Could you please tell us a little bit more about this? So, and if I want actually, I can add more questions here, and based on the answers, I can make some things conditionally visible as well. But in this video, I just wanted to show you how you can easily and quickly add smart labels on your questions and make them more customized and engaging for your users. Hope you liked it. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.